What happens to your body if you run for 5 minutes every day? We know it very well that workout results in fantastic health benefits. But the idea of dedicating a more significant chunk of our already limited time to pounding the pavement or hitting the gym is sufficient to make even the most active of us mewl on some days. However, there is still hope. New studies have shown that if you run for 5 minutes a day, you can have a dramatic positive impact on a person's well-being. Running is believed the best exercise to select for your routine. It is not only inexpensive, which you can choose and try every day, but you can manage running just 5 minutes every day. And here are the benefits of running 5 minutes every day. Number 1. Reduced possibility of having a cardiovascular issue. Cardiovascular problems is the biggest reason for death in the US, and consecrating as a minimum as 5 minutes per day to control aerobic exercise can reduce your chance of having it nearly in half. Research published by the American College of Cardiology between cardiovascular death rate possibility and leisure time running tested 55,000 plus adults considering exercise habits over 20 years and discovered that even little active people had much more portent lungs and hearts. Number 2. Low chance of all-cause death rate. The same research discovered that a person's chance of dying from any reason was reduced by nearly 1/3 if he practiced less than 51 minutes in 7 days in comparison to those who didn't work out at all. This time can be split up on the way you like. 5 to 10 minutes a day, 20 minutes on Wednesday, and 30 minutes on the weekend. Even one long session a week will deliver the same low chances of mortality. Number 3. Burn calories. A little exercise is always better than no exercise at all. Running is an incredible cardio workout that helps in transforming your body. Running aids in burning calories. But if you are attempting to lose pounds, then 5 minutes of running might not be sufficient. To reduce weight, you must burn more pounds than you consume. Number 4. Enhance your life period. Exercise not only lessens your chances of dying younger, but it can also genuinely add years to your life. From the research on 55,000 adults mentioned above, those who worked out with regularity lived almost 3 years longer. That forges to above 1.5 million extra times of life in substitution for 5 minutes of workout a day. Number 5. Mood enhancer. Exercise is not just beneficial for your physical health, it is also suitable for your mental health. Running can aid in enhancing your mood and keeping the signs of depression away. Researchers have also claimed the advantages of exercise on mental health. Thus, if you have a bad mood, take out just 5 minutes and go for a jog. Number 6. Amended blood pressure. Devoted the amended cardiovascular health that goes along with workout, it should be no-brainer that regular exercise will better your blood pressure. A research was published in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology by the researchers, which was made in aerobic interval training to minimize blood pressure and enhance myocardial functionality in hypertensive people. This research explained that the more workout of your heart experiences, the better it is at controlling blood pressure. If you have healthy blood pressure, your risk of stroke and heart attack automatically decreases. Number 7. Better sleep. The deficiency of sleep is linked to various health problems. A sound sleeping pattern is essential for a healthy body and mind. 5 minutes running a day can aid you in better sleep. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.